Hello everyone, I am Ayush Pathak and you're watching Lawputra YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of public international law and private international law. Generally, we consider public international law as an international law. We don't consider private international law as an international law. Why is it so? ऐसा क्यों है? हम प्राइवेट इंटरनेशनल लॉ को इंटरनेशनल लॉ क्यों नहीं कहते हैं? ऐसा इसलिए है क्योंकि प्राइवेट इंटरनेशनल लॉ हमारा दो डिफरेंट प्राइवेट पर्सन्स के बीच में डील करता है जो कि दोनों दूसरे कंट्री के होते हैं, राइट? एंड इसको हम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ लॉज भी कहते हैं. अब आते हैं हम व्हाट इज पब्लिक इंटरनेशनल लॉ. Public international law deals with the cases in which foreign elements are present, and these foreign elements raises a question of application of the foreign laws and the foreign courts. We will see this through an example. There are two Englishmen who made a contract in France to sell goods in Paris. Now, here there are two different states with completely two different laws. How will be it applicable? So here the contract was made in France and the contract made for was to sell goods in Paris. So here the English law would apply on the French law for the validity of the contract. Now let's see what are the sources of the public international law. The sources of the public international law might be a conventions, customs of the international law customs, and the rules of the law. Public international law is an enormously diverse discipline. Areas dealt with public international law are issues relating to a territory, the law of treaties, statehood and state responsibility, international dispute resolution, and international use of forces. Not only this, but the rule of public international law also applies when a state court wants to claim its own jurisdiction, when a country wants to claim its own jurisdiction. And this jurisdiction can be prescriptive jurisdiction, adjudicative jurisdiction, and enforcement jurisdiction. Countries like India, United States of America, United Kingdom, and the European Union practices public international law. Now let's see what is private international law. Private international law is a law which deals with the two different private persons of the two different states. As earlier I told you that this is also known as conflict of laws. Private international law is also known as conflict of law. प्राइवेट इंटरनेशनल लॉ हम जैसे मीन्स हमारा अगर कोई विदेश में डिस्प्यूट चल रहा है तो प्राइवेट इंटरनेशनल लॉ हम पे काम करेगा, मीन्स हम पे अप्लाई होगा. एंड अगर कोई स्टेट का डिस्प्यूट चल रहा कोई दूसरे कंट्री से, कोई इफ देयर आर टू डिफरेंट स्टेट्स एंड दोनों का डिस्प्यूट चल रहा है, देन पब्लिक इंटरनेशनल लॉ विल इन्फोर्स, राइट? नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द सोर्सेस ऑफ द private international law. The major sources of the private international law are major treaties, important international bodies. By subject, we can see business matter, commercial arbitration matters, family matters, and the property matters are also dealt in the private international law. Means these are the fields in which private international law deals with. Mainly there are two subjects of law. First is civil law and second is common law. In private international law, these two laws are dealt differently. Countries like Germany countries like Germany limit the scope of the private international law to the problems of the conflicts of law and the problems arising to the status of the foreigners. These both fall in the different branches. While in common law countries like India, the law system includes the rules of the jurisdiction as well as the choices of the law. Scope of the private international law has three branches. The scope lies in the jurisdiction, the choices of law, and the foreign judgments. Now let's see what are the differences between the public international law and the private international law. Mainly, public international law is the law between the different states, and the private international law is the law between the different private persons of the two different states. Now, here the private person also include a legal person and as well as natural person also. Public international law are the rules of the outcome of the international custom and treaties, while private international law are framed by the state legislature. Public international law is enforced by the international pressure or the fear for, such as breakage of diplomatic relations or convictions. And while private international law is enforced by the state executive. In public international law, there are no courts predetermined. Means no court means there are not any there are no any courts which are predetermined. While we see in private international law, courts are predetermined. While public international law is same for all the states, while on the other hand, the private international law differs state by state. So this was my video on public international law and private international law. Thank you.